10. Nutrient-rich foods that nourish the body. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and broccoli are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and provide fiber for digestion. 2. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. They offer numerous health benefits and help protect against chronic diseases. 3. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are nutrient-dense foods that provide healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. 5. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. They provide sustained energy and support digestive health. 6. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron, potassium, and folate. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich food that also contains probiotics, calcium, and vitamin D. It promotes gut health, supports bone health, and provides a satisfying snack option. 8. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit that is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed in various dishes or as a spread. 9. Colorful vegetables. Vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes provide an array of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Their vibrant colors often indicate a high nutrient content. 10. Lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, tofu, and eggs are excellent sources of lean protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining muscle mass. Remember, a balanced and varied diet that incorporates a wide range of nutrient-rich foods is essential for overall health and well-being. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.